Hi, good morning. Please introduce
Hi
yourself.
sir and mom, good morning. I'm Ria Miridola Babor. I'm 41 years old. I'm high school graduate. I'm married. I have 3 kids. Ages are 19, 17, and 13 years old. One girl and 2 boys.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
One sister only sir. I'm oldest.
Okay, do you have any working experience?
Yes sir. I'm work experience with newborn for 7 years. I take good care of newborn and also 9 years old and 12 years old.
So aside from them, taking care of the newborn and the kids, what will you do in the house?
I do house cleaning, such as ironing, washing, and wash also the dishes.
Okay, so only one employer, right?
Yes.
Okay, so why do you want to come in Hong Kong?
I want to try to Hong Kong to work for experiencer, and also I work to Hong Kong for the high salary for the financial support to my kids.
Okay, in Hong Kong, if there's a newborn baby, can you take care on it?
Yes.
So if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I do sing, sir. I do sing, and I also change the diaper. Also prepare the milk also and feed them. And check the temperature.
Do you have a big patient for the naughty children?
Yes.
Okay, if you are working in Hong Kong, how about take care of your kids?
I taking good care as my own kids.
No, I mean, if in Hong Kong, you will go there to work,
Yes.
who will take care of your children?
Yes. My mother.
Okay, so if you have homesick, can you avoid it?
And avoid because I focus to my work and also I point to my employer.
Okay, do you have any allergy?
No.
So you eat everything right?
Yes.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Okay, thank you. Can you love cooking?
Yes.
What food can you cook?
Philippine food.
But are you willing to cook Chinese food?
Like adobo.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, some employer have a cat and dog in the house. Are you scared dogs and
No.
Okay, do you have dogs and pets in your house?
Yes.
Can you accept take care of other person and assist them all their needs?
Yes.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No.
Are you promised not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, if you hire me, I assure you to take good care of your kids as my own kids. Honest and patient and understanding.
Okay, see you in Hong Kong.
See you in Hong Kong.